Greetings from your Hotel Kimberly Tagaytay family. I am Chef JR, and we hope that this clip finds you well. Join us today as we share a recipe that we do here at Ammay restaurant that we think you'd be able to pull off in your homes. For the recipe, we'll be starting off with the main ingredient, which is the boneless chicken. At home, of course, you could use bone-in pieces of chicken. And we marinate it with salt and pepper. And we use here potato starch. As for the vegetables, we use carrots and baguio beans and peanuts. And for the aromatics, we use ginger and garlic and also onion leeks. As for the sauce, we use oyster sauce and our homemade chili garlic sauce that we do here at the restaurant. We start the process by marinating our chicken with salt, pepper, potato starch, and oil. With very clean hands, just combine all together. And then just let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Heat your pan. About a tablespoon of oil. So you'd want to throw in your protein once you see a little smoke coming out of the pan. White smokes. And when you hear that sizzle, that means you're in the right temperature. Next, you'd want to throw in your ginger. And your carrots. And at this point, you want to throw in water or chicken stock. And while the sauce is building up, you'd want to throw in your peanuts as well. Oyster sauce. A little bit more of that water, the stock. And at this point, I would like to throw in some of my garlic. After about 3 to 5 minutes, your chicken should be done. Or at least there, almost there. And you can start finishing it by adding in your beans. And also about a minute before you turn off the heat, you could add in half of your onion leeks. And finally add in your chili sauce. Give it a quick toss. Just to finish, a little bit more oil. And it should be ready to serve.